Hi, it's Texas. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. Boy, the big weather story this week, of course, heading into the Thanksgiving Day holiday and wondering what the weather is going to be like. We've been talking about chances of rain leading up to the holiday, and then it appeared late last week as if the storm system would be what we call more progressive and move by. Now the data has flipped back around to the original solution that it was pointing at, and that is this big low here, not cutting off, but closing off. And as it closes off, it moves slower. Now, if it would cut off, it would stick around for the entire weekend. But right now, it looks like it's going to close off, which means it will move slowly through the area Thanksgiving Day, Friday, and still have an impact on our forecast Saturday. And it is a cold core system, so that if you were traveling, say near the Red River or north of that Saturday morning, there'd be a chance to see a few sleet pellets or some snowflakes. I've seen some data that would suggest there's even a possibility of that happening in Morris, Titus, and Franklin County. That's about as far south as perhaps that critical thickness would occur, that we could see a couple of snowflakes or sleet pellets. Not a big deal, but just the fact that you have some kind of wintry weather around over the holiday weekend, certainly there. In the meantime, as this goes by, we've got rain in the forecast now Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday morning. Big upper high out here to the west, again, forcing the jet stream up to the north, and then it causes this storm to dig. Remember, these storms will repeat, and this storm will come back perhaps in about 45 days from Thursday, and so that'll put us into December. And so this is one of these storms we want to watch as we head toward between Christmas and the New Year. All right, Thanksgiving Day forecast then looks like this. We've got rain chances showing up, and they're going to be with us with temperatures in the 50s most of the day. Here's the travel forecast for Thanksgiving week, at least. For tomorrow, it looks fantastic. Tomorrow now looks like the best day to travel. Sunshine, temperatures in the lower 60s on Tuesday. Wednesday doesn't start off bad, but some light rain showers move into the area, at least between Tyler and Oklahoma City, or Tyler and Waco Wednesday afternoon. If you were headed east, you'd be ahead of the rain. Say, for instance, going to New Orleans, looks like good travel weather there. Jackson, Mississippi, also good travel weather. Headed up to Little Rock or Memphis, it looks really nice. Headed westward, though, again, you drive through the rain, get out into some thick cloud cover out toward Lubbock, Amarillo, and out to the west toward El Paso. And then the storm system that we showed you develops, and we've got rain, a few rumbles of thunder, and Thursday looks like primarily a wet and rainy day now, and the upper low is going to spin back here. All right, so I only have this out through Thursday at 6 p.m., but this upper low is going to spin to the east, and so all this moisture and that cold air on the backside of it will wrap around behind, keeping us in the rain Friday and again Saturday. Trying to get back to above average temperatures. We haven't had any since the 10th of the month. I don't think we're going to come above average maybe for the rest of the week still, maybe even into the weekend. There are signs that the weather pattern will change dramatically for the end of the month. We'll warm back into the 70s. Rainfall, haven't posted this yet for today, but we did have rain again today, third Monday in a row that we've had officially measurable rainfall throughout Tyler and parts of East Texas. All right, here's future skycast. We'll start this off Tuesday morning. We have an easterly wind with temperatures right around 48 to 50 degrees by 10 a.m. And then as we head into the afternoon, not bad, it's mostly sunny, maybe 61 to 62 tomorrow, so pretty nice day again, light easterly winds. And then Tuesday evening into Wednesday, clouds are increasing. We wake up Wednesday morning, and we've got a few showers around the area. Temperatures are in the lower 50s. These showers will be passing from time to time, and so that should allow the temperature to sneak back into the lower 60s with a southeasterly wind and breaks in the cloud cover. So Wednesday's not a bad day. Again, just some passing showers. Then watch what happens Wednesday night into Thanksgiving. By 2 a.m., we've got rain and thunderstorms coming down, a couple of heavier little pockets here. There's not a ton of instability. I don't expect severe weather, but we could hear some rumbles of thunder, see some flashes of lightning, and they get a little bit heavier as we head into daybreak Thursday, Thanksgiving. 61 in Jacksonville, 57 at Marshall. Here is a frontal boundary that will come through, and that frontal boundary, again, will move through, creating some cooler weather for Friday, but the wraparound showers behind that will be problematic into the weekend. All right, Wednesday through Wednesday at about 8 o'clock, we've got 0.08 of an inch of rain to about maybe 1/10 of an inch of rain around the area. Thursday, for Thanksgiving, we pick up more of that, and some of it could be heavier, especially around those areas of showers and thunderstorms. But again, it doesn't leave us. It sticks with us through Friday into Saturday. And so look at these rainfall totals for this week ahead. You're looking at the possibility of 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain. And notice center there at 3 inches of rain. Again, sometimes I say don't marry these numbers to these cities. This is guidance, so we do know that anywhere from about 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rainfall in the purple would be possible. In the red, maybe 2.5 or greater. So there's a chance to pick up some really beneficial rainfall out of this, and hopefully that storm doesn't slow down to where we'd have the possibility of severe weather. All right, so for tomorrow, no chance of rain. Wednesday, it's a 30% chance of rain. Thursday, it's an 80% chance of rain. Friday, still a 50% chance of rain. And Saturday morning, it's still a 40% chance of rain. And then that rain chance will go away as we head into Monday. All right, specifically here in the short term, we're talking about a chilly night tonight, a damp night as the rain moves out. Clouds hold on. We'll be in the mid-30s at Mineola and Mount Pleasant, upper 30s, Longview, Tyler, and Marshall, lower 40s from Palestine through Henderson, Carthage, Center, and Nacogdoches, upper 30s. And over deep East Texas, back toward Houston and Trinity County, overnight lows in the low 40s, around 42 at Groveton. Then tomorrow, clouds in the morning giving way to more and more sunshine. Southeasterly winds are light at about 5 miles an hour, and we get that temperature up to around 60 degrees by 3 o'clock, topping out at around 61 or 62 by 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So when we break this down county by county, you'll see daytime highs in the lower 60s around Pittsburgh and Mount Pleasant, over toward Linden, and in our central counties, Wood and Upshur County, specifically speaking here, lower 60s, Gregg and Smith County, lower 60s, and then from Henderson to Jacksonville to Palestine, lower 60s once again, under partly to mostly sunny skies. And then over deep East Texas, it's a mix of sun and clouds. High temperatures right around 60 degrees at Crockett, 59 at Lufkin, and 61 at Hemphill Center. 62 degrees, and then Groveton, 61 degrees. Again, with light southeasterly winds. Here's the Bill Scott and White Texas Spine and Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. So mostly sunny tomorrow, nice Tuesday. Wednesday, some showers return after a chilly morning with lows in the low 40s. We managed to make it into the lower 60s. Rain and thunder likely on Thanksgiving, possibly into the lower 60s. I've seen some indications if the rain is heavy enough and widespread enough, it'll hold the highs in the 50s. 57 then on Friday with more showers possible, so not much of a temperature spread there, 48 in the morning to 57 in the afternoon. Morning showers Saturday giving way to some slow clearing by the afternoon and another below average high temperature of 58 degrees. And the last day below average will be Sunday, 63 degrees, mostly sunny, and then temperatures are into the 70s Monday, Tuesday. And as we get into December, we've got some rain showers showing up to round out our 10-day forecast. Have a great night, everyone.